How can you learn to confidently work with shapes and forms of objects and characters in your drawings?
That's principle, like I said, that's on my course I explain it's principle unity. It's called unity, right? When I draw the horses, right, I already feels the unity, which means it's not parts, just it's kind of principle of the big trunk of the tree, right? You see everything is grows from the trunk, right? Same with any human or horse, whatever, right? It's connected. Everything is connected. It's not just a partials. You see, it's everything is connected. Kind of rhythm. You see, rhythm. Do you believe in God, by the way?
Yes.
Honestly, to me, God is a harmony. It's a somehow everything is not just accidentally. I don't know why, but it is. See, kind of like this. And the principle of the harmony, it's from like a calligraphy. The very good point of the calligraphy, because it's connected, everything, right? It has rhythm too, it has fluidity, right? And connection, very, very strong. It's not partially like this, right? Nothing. It's the same principle for figure or for human, whatever. It's connected, right? Kind of like this, right? Figure is already there, but it's just simple, like this, like this, like this, like this. You see, this is calligraphy. Originally, this is calligraphy. It's nothing more, nothing less. You guys have beautiful statue, and in these statues, you can see how it's like a flowing inside one shape, inside to another shape, from one shape to another shape. It's kind of like a watery, very watery. It's the same principle. Nothing accidentally. That's what is God for me. Nothing accidentally. Like I would say like this: if I do this finger move, right? It doesn't mean it's only finger move, but you see all my body. You see it's connected. If I do this, I supposed to be see a beat, balance it all the time. Balance. I do this movement, right? I always do this way. See. Everything is connected. It's nothing accidentally, like I said, right? See? Even stool, it's kind of, you see, this one, you see? That's why it works well. If it's stool will be like this, you see? It doesn't work. That's a God. And I really surprised when you watch somebody's on a street. It's somehow the guys or girls turn to you very, I would say, comfortable way to see what's going on. In animation, you have to use this. You have to. Maybe it's kind of complicated, but I believe you understand what I'm talking about, right?